Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to contact suppliers on Alibaba. The first thing I'd like you to do to launch your Alibaba application, which of course I've done right here. The next thing is, where exactly can you find Alibaba? Depending on the device that you use, you can get Alibaba on Google Play Store or Apple Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Alibaba and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing and downloading the application successfully, it's going to take you right into the sign up page. We're going to be asked to either log in or to create a new account, whichever one you choose. Once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time on Alibaba. So now right here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to contact suppliers on Alibaba. Now let's use the search bar from this homepage. Now in this search bar, click on that search bar, and in that search bar, you're going to have to type in shipping agents. So just type shipping agents, and once you type in shipping agents, you're going to find these categories at the top corner: product, suppliers, and you have source by region. You can even do that using any product. Just click on any product, you're going to find this filters: product, suppliers, and source by region. So we're going to click on shipping agents again. So over here at the top corner, go ahead and set it to suppliers. Now you have all of these suppliers. So let's say I want to use this one, Shenzhen. So I'm just going to click that Shenzhen and open up this page, scroll all the way down. Now you have shipping to be negotiated, contact supplier for more details. And you can scroll the way down and you have the chat now button as well. So you can click on chat now for you to chat with this supplier. So as I click on chat now, it takes you to the supplier, and you can now send a message to this person. That's it. Using this chat box, it's loading up, but we certainly do not have time for that. But there's another way that you can contact supplier. Check at the top here where you have contact supplier hyperlink. Click on contact supplier, and it takes you right here again where you can now contact the supplier and let the supplier know what exactly you have in your head. So that's pretty much the process. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.